Hey, you stop and tell me where we are today.
Oh, I didn't know.
Say, we're looking at diggers today, guys.
We're looking at this every day.
You want to go in there? Come this way, Char.
Wow, Charlie, what is that?
What is it?
Front loader. Look at that bucket. That does have a big bucket.
Bucket. You in?
Where are you? What are you doing in there? First. Show me how you drive. You're trying the bucket? Oh, you're controlling the bucket. Should we go find another one to play in? Are you done in this one, or do you want to stay in this for a little longer? Or you unbuckle yourself. Nice work.
Ready?
And it will help you down.
Yep, watch your feet. Good job. Good job.
Can you tell your friends what's inside of here?
Digger.
Diggers, how many do you think are in there?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4, let's go see. Holy cow.
There's a lot more stuff in here.
Wow. What is that? It is a skid steer.
I'm liking it.
Are you standing in the bucket?
Cause that's the door.
That is the door. Would you like to ride in that skid steer?
I'm the kid.
Does Andy need to help you? Wow, you're a skid steer driver.
Yeah.
Cool.
And then the book is going backwards and up. I'm digging.
Tell Daddy edit this video. As in my butt. I'll let him know. Do you need to come out?
Yeah.
What's next? Okay. What is this, Charlie? Hey, come here. You want to ride the vacuum truck? They have a vacuum truck? I'm not sure we can go inside of this one. But check out that vacuum truck. Come here and check out the vacuum part. Go do it. The kitty might come out again, but it won't hurt you. Come check this out. Show me where it vacuums up all the junk.
Not right there.
Yeah, right there. That's the vacuum hose. Cool.
2 backhoes.
There's 2.
Yeah.
Tell me about the parts of the backhoe.
I'm winding it.
What's that part back there?
They go in.
Is that the digger part? The bucket and the boom?
Yeah. I'm going.
Oh, do you know what this part of the digger is right here?
Yeah.
What is that?
Stabilizer.
The stabilizers, you're right.
And I'm winding it.
Show me the front bucket.
Take the front bucket.
That's the front bucket. Show me the tires. Let's see who's taller, the tires or Charlie.
This is taller.
That tire is taller, you're right. What is this orange truck? A forklift. Do you want to drive the forklift?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hang on 1 second. Let's ask Anna.
I don't think he'll start it.
All right, ready?
For it.
It's like Charlie and the forklift. Let me see how you drive the forklift. I'm looking at the forks on the front. Just looking at the forks. need a wipe?
Not right now. I'll just wash my hands. Hurt my finger. I'll be okay.
What are you doing, Charlie?
Whoa. Go check out that digger now? Alright.
This is your favorite brand of mower. Do you remember the name of it? What? Tell me again. The Hustler. You want to see where it shoots the grass out? Well, come here and look.
Here.
Look, there's still some grass left on there. Do you see it?
I not see the first shoot.
That's where it shoots it out, right there. Come here, let's go to the other side. That's where the grass shoots out, isn't it? Yeah, do you see all that grass that's left over?
What shoot did
Tell me about it. Look, I have something to show you. What is it? A roller! Just what you wanted to see.
Turn the wheel.
Show me how you drive the roller.
Why just turned it on?
It was an accident.
Let me see how you drive. You're doing a lot of rolling.
Now all done.
Now you're all done?
Yes.
Do you know what kind of tractor this is?
A hustler.
A Hustler. You think it's Hustler because it's yellow, huh? Yeah, this is a yellow John Deere.
Wow! Look at you!
And now the unit.
Nope. What you doing? Are you driving?
Way too thin. The bug within.
I don't know what that's for.
Bug within.
You know what this is for? So the guys don't get hot while they're doing work.
It's a good idea. They don't get sunburned. What else helps them from getting sunburned? Sunscreen. You're right.
Brought to you by our friends at Coppertop.
Whoa! Wipe out. Let me see you climb. On your mark. Get set. Climb.
You want to try? Try.
Oh, you are climbing? Slow and steady wins the race.
And I'm walking down.
And you're walking down.
Oh, wow.
Oh, the guys are leaving, Char. Can you wave bye? Thank you.
Thank you.
Say thanks for watching my show.
Thanks for watching my show. Bye.